In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move custom fields to a folder in bulk in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, take a look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and that's where we'll begin. From the left side menu, click on Settings. This area gives you access to a variety of account and system level options. So if you haven't been here before, just know that this is where many of your customization tools live inside Gohighlevel. After opening settings, stay on the left-hand side again and click on custom fields. This will take you to the section where all of your custom fields are listed. If you're managing a large number of fields, organizing them into folders can make things much easier to maintain, especially when you want a cleaner setup and faster access later. Now, in the custom fields list, find the fields you want to move into a folder. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct ones, since this bulk action will apply to all the fields you choose. To select them, simply check the checkbox next to each custom field you want to include. As you do this, Gohighlevel will recognize that you're preparing a bulk action. This is helpful when you need to organize several fields at once instead of moving them one by one. Once your selected custom fields are checked, click on Move to Folder. This option should appear after you've made your selections. It's the command that tells the system you want to group those chosen fields into an existing folder. Next, select the folder you want to move the fields into. Be sure to choose the correct folder, especially if you use separate folders for different teams, workflows, or types of data. Keeping a consistent folder structure can save time and reduce confusion later. After choosing the folder, click Move to confirm the action. Gohighlevel will then place all of the selected custom fields into that folder in bulk. And that's it. That's how you move custom fields to a folder in bulk in Gohighlevel. This is a simple but useful way to keep your account organized and make your custom field setup much easier to manage. If you're cleaning up a crowded workspace, this feature can be a real time saver.